Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to install MySQL on a Windows platform. So for this purpose, you have to go to dev.mysql.com. This is the official website for MySQL. We'll click here for download. You are having option of different operating systems. Because we are going to install on Windows, so we'll choose Microsoft Windows operating system and we'll click here MySQL installer. Now it will give you two options. Either you can download a web version or the complete executable file for installation. So we will choose web version for MySQL because this is only 2.3 MB, so it will download faster. Now it is asking if you have any community account, you want to log in or you want to create a new account, but we are not going to do that now. We'll simply click no thanks, just start my download. Once you click here, it will start the download. You can see the file is downloaded. I will click. Now this is the interface which you will see. I'll minimize this window so you can see it clearly. It is giving you multiple options, like if this is the developer default, what you are going to get in this install. This is coming here in the list. If you click on server, these things will be installed. Client only, you will install these: router, shell, workbench. What we are going to install is the full. Install the full, including MySQL products and features. So what it will give us? It will give us installs for all the products available in this catalog, including MySQL Server, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, Workbench, connectors, documentation and samples. So we'll click next. Here is showing the path where this is going to be installed. Click yes. Now there are multiple softwares which it will install. This is the list of softwares which are going to install. So we'll click execute. So it have started installing. It will install all the softwares one by one. So you see everything is complete now. We'll click next. These three are ready for configuration, like server, router, example, database, and examples. We'll click next. This is the default port. I will not change this. I'll keep the same port. Next. Use strong password recommended. Next. I will put the password here. Add any other user, you can add it from here, but I don't now. It's medium password. If you want to add any other characters to it, you can add, but for me it is okay. I'll click next. The server name will be MySQL 18. Okay. Next. These things will be configured step by step. So it is configuring all the things and executing the tasks. All the tasks are complete. I'll click finish. Now this part is configured. Now the next one is ready for configuration. This is also configuration. Which I entered while installing. Check. This connection is successful. Next. Execute. installing any other features required, and running all the scripts. Finish. Next, start MySQL bank, MySQL shell. So these are the checkboxes. You can uncheck, you can check, and click finish. Now the shell is running, and this is MySQL workbench. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks.